Hi, this is Lauren with ButterflyMX. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the ButterflyMX Intercom display and use its features to gain access to a building. Just a quick note, this is the default intercom display, so it's possible that the intercom display that you're using might have slightly different buttons. First, let's go over the directory button. Tap Directory to browse a list of building residents. You can scroll through the directory or use the search bar to find the resident you are visiting. Once you select their name, you'll see two options. You can call them or send them a text message directly from the intercom. Next, let's go over the door pin button. If you're a resident, enter your unit number, then enter your 6-digit PIN. Tap Enter, and the door will unlock. If you don't know your PIN, you can find it in your mobile app. If you're a delivery driver with a PIN provided to you by the building or a resident, tap the delivery button. Enter your 5-digit PIN and hit Enter. If you don't have a PIN, you can search the directory to call the resident and notify them of the delivery. If you received a visitor pass, tap the visitor pass button. Hold your QR code up to the intercom camera, making sure it aligns with the box on the screen. Once the QR code is scanned, the door will unlock, granting you access. The front desk button allows you to quickly connect with your building's front desk attendant or staff member. And finally, the leasing office button. If you're a prospective resident or need to contact the leasing team, simply tap this button to call the leasing office directly. That's it! The ButterflyMX Intercom makes it easy to access your building with just a few taps. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from ButterflyMX.